John's Father's Day gift came. FedEx just brought it, and he brings the dogs cookies.
Cookies for
Look what Johnny got.
No, this is Donna's. This is for Donna Marie.
Okay, you all want to hear a funny story? I'm going to tell you all a funny story. I told John for Mother's Day that I would like this for Mother's Day. Well, Mother's Day came and went, and guess what?
They were out of them.
Fibber.
They were out of them, dear.
John suffers from memory recall, so he honestly did not remember. So, I'm videotaping.
My phone's ringing.
So, anyways, so for Father's Day, I gave him this.
Classic George.
And I told him that from now on Father's Day, I'm going to buy gifts for me, since he can't remember to buy me a gift. But it's all good because I'll cook on it, because I do all the cooking, even the barbecuing, and he'll do all the eating. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to put this together. Yay! Can you tell by his belly that he likes my cooking? All right. Well, that's it. Yeehaw! And I'll have to tell you, I've seen these to go in the 28-inch for $299. I paid $75, including shipping. I'll link it below. But how freaking cool is that? All right, just a quick share. Because I love him. And I'm not talking about text. I love that guy on the phone. Yeehaw! Hey everybody, how are you? I got this for John for Father's Day, and figured I would set it up on YouTube. Tex is hanging out with Willow today. John is at a car show, and Willow's mommy and daddy are out garage selling. And the grandbabies are with their other grandma. And these two are running around like cookie people. Alright, so I'm going to go get the scissors, cut this open, and then I'll be back to see what I have to do to make this. I want to put my camera on the floor, but I'm afraid these two are going to knock it over. Alright, let's see. Alright, so this is all live. This is the, let's see what I can tell you what it is. This is the Blackstone griddle that I found online, and I scored. Well, I hope I did. We'll see what happens when I put it together. I'll link it below. I'm not an affiliate, but I've seen these go for $200, $300, $400 depending on the size, and I got this for $75, free shipping. So, let's see how hard it is to put together. I have a feeling that these two are going to be up in the butt. Yeah, so this is the Blackstone 28-inch. They do make a 36, but I figured I'd try this because the price was right. there's a spot here for your cooking stuff, a tray down here, the griddle, and then this is the grease pan. Now I did read, let's see if I can bring it in. Let me bring it in. I'm going to see. I'm going to pick these up. Alright. So I was watching online that this here cutout is too far in. So they say that the grease drips down into that spot and gets it all down the leg. So I know that people did some hacks on how to fix that, but since my son is a welder, I'm going to talk to him about this and see what he can come up with to fix that. I'll probably not use this today because it looks like it's going to rain. I'm probably going to wheel it inside because I want to make a tarp for it. I want to make a custom cover for it. So I want John to go get me a new tarp, and I want to just sew it and custom fit it. So this is the Blackstone 28-inch cooking stand, which is a griddle, flat grill top. It looks really, really nice. It really does. I can't wait to use it. I did pay $75 for this, including shipping, and I will put the link below. So I think that I can't barbecue tomorrow, which is going to be Monday. I think I'll barbecue on Tuesday. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye. What I want to do? Taking my clothes off the line because the rain came. Okay, so I got the griddle in the house just as I said, see you real soon, because look what happened. I look like a wet rat. I had laundry on the line. I had my sheets and towels, sheets and blankets, I should say, on the line. Ran outside to get them. I'm going to give you a quick glimpse. Look at me. I got soaking wet. Is that funny? So I brought the griddle in so it doesn't rust. I don't know if it will rust. I haven't seasoned it yet. So that's that. Alright guys. Maybe I'll sit down and post this video since I can't do much else. And the two goofballs are all over the place. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this. And stay tuned for how I actually like to see how I like this when I barbecue on it. Alright, bye guys.